Welcome, here I've got REALME C11 2021 and let me show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard capture mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera. One of them is the only mode to take burst shots, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now when we tap on the shutter button at the center a little bit longer, we can take our burst. So let me show you how it works. And as you can see, this is how it works. We can take the series of pictures in a really fast way. The maximum number at once is 20. So this is how burst shot works here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.